Last time I was up in Elgin, Oregon, talking about rednecks, I guess we weren't talking about rednecks, but I was asking him what, anyway, I asked him what, I told him the song is about nomadic America, and I didn't know what nomadic was, so so the definition of a redneck in Somerville is somebody who goes to Pendleton for, finishing school at the community college to see if that education stuck or not. I'm just kidding. This is to my friends, and I'm just having fun. My friends up at Pumpkinhead Studios and all those friends, we just have, I miss the fun we have. Anyway, this is an old song redone. And a demonstration of what nomadic America is. And actually that joke was supposed to be for Union, that was our rivals. But sings that we don't know what nomadic is. Anyway. All the livelong day I've been working on the railroad just to pass the time of day. Don't you hear the captain shouting, Dinah, blow your horn. Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow your horn? Fee-fi, fiddly-i-o, fee-fi, fee-fi, fiddly-i-o, fee-fi, fiddly-i-o, strumming on your banjo. Working on the railroad all the livelong day. I've been working on the railroad just to pass the time of day. Don't you hear the captain shouting, Dinah, blow your horn. Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow your horn? So the person in question up in Somerville, Elgin area that was asking what America is, that's when you have one of those round things and you roll and you go from one place to the other. I'm just having fun. My friends up at Pumpkinhead Studios, we do a little outside of the normal things. Anyway, thank you. That was, as you know, whatever that was.